If you are experiencing a recurring blockage, persistent discomfort, or a sharp, isolating pain specifically in your right knee, your body is trying to get your attention. We are going to decode the exact psychosomatic message behind this discomfort, translating what your physical joint is signaling about your internal state. To address this, we will walk through a complete, step-by-step energetic healing protocol that you can perform autonomously right now. Find a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. Take a slow, deep breath. For the duration of this practice, choose to set aside sheer willpower and allow your intuition to lead. True healing initiates the moment we stop fighting the pain and instead listen to its precise location and its emotional root. In psychosomatic decoding, the knee universally acts as the physical and energetic joint of flexibility. Discomfort here points directly to an internal rigidity. It highlights areas in your daily life where you are resisting adaptation, struggling with decisions, or carrying a heavy fear of being judged by others. But the body's map is highly specific. When we look at this animated diagram of lateralization, the human form is divided precisely in half. The right side is energetically distinct. The right hemisphere of the body governs the masculine principle. This is the domain of rational forward momentum, action, and our relationship to authority or the father figure. Notice how a strict reliance on logic travels downward, stiffening the joint. Take a moment to reflect on your current circumstances. Where in your work or personal life are you refusing to yield? Have you recently taken on too heavy a burden, forcing an outcome through pure action? A pain in the right knee clearly signals an emotional overload, generated by an overly rigid, unrelenting drive to advance. Now, bring your complete focus to your right knee using the AORA method of observation. Notice the sensation without judging it, and crucially, without demanding that it immediately disappear. Mentally outline the exact physical characteristics of the discomfort. Is it a burning sensation? Does it sting, pull, or feel unusually warm? Your organism needs to know exactly what you are addressing. You must mentally name the location, specifically identifying my right knee, rather than focusing on a vague, abstract idea of the pain. To locate the true energetic root of this blockage, we use a technique called the finding hand. Often, the source of the pain is not situated precisely at the anatomical joint itself. Hover your dominant hand over your right leg. Allow it to drift and finally rest wherever you feel an instinctive physical pull. As you see here, the true origin node may sit slightly off-center from the kneecap. Trust that physical attraction over anatomical logic. By observing precisely and without judgment, you prevent your conscious, rational mind from masking the true energetic root of the blockage. Keep your hand on that focal point. Now, visualize a small, active, energetic vortex placed directly over it. Watch as this vortex actively vacuums up the emotional overload, pulling the accumulated rigidities and stress out of the tissue. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, imagine a glowing, intensely bright, incandescent filament. Direct this glowing filament straight down into the exact origin point of the discomfort beneath your finding hand. In sync with your exhaling breath, mentally chant these 3 precise transmutation mantras: liquifie, pulvérise, transmute. Follow the energy of the filament by visualizing soft fingers of light descending into the area, gently wrapping around and pacifying the entire joint. Alternate this cycle. Exhale and send the filament to liquefy the blockage, then follow with the soothing fingers of light. Repeat this process until you sense that no more heavy energy is exiting the vortex. This active visualization directly breaks down stagnant, heavy emotional energy, converting it back into a fluid, freely moving state. The active cleansing is complete. Take one final deep, grounding breath to anchor this newly created space and fluidity within the joint. Moving forward, your ongoing practice is to surrender more easily to your intuition. Practice extending flexibility toward yourself and your daily decisions over the coming days. Remember, this is an energetic, symbolic protocol for personal practice. It does not replace a formal medical diagnosis or professional healthcare. True holistic health requires a balance, honoring the energetic and emotional messages of your mind while deeply respecting the physical needs of your body.